I think we have a very different approach, a much more multilateral approach, a much more, an approach that is more geared towards international cooperation. Now, the Buy America has always been in the books. There has always been in the rules, and it's been in the laws. There's the Small Business Administration has always had some regulations that allow them to buy U.S. products first. That sometimes even force them to do that. So I think the question of the multilateral approach is that even when you have difficult questions like, for example, the one that we're talking about, international taxation, which is a very complicated one, 137 countries involved, etc., then it's the multilateral approach, which means you talk it over, you discuss it with all your peers, you discuss it with all the other countries, rather than take unilateral action. This is what multilateral action is about. This is what multilateralism is about.
And yet, Angel, the story of COVID has been one on the scientific front of great collaboration. But in terms of what we're seeing in terms of vaccine procurement, I'm afraid it's the same old sad individual state scramble for assets as well. I don't see any collaboration when it comes to countries helping out developing nations trying to get their vaccines. Angel, do you think we've seen the high watermark of multilateralism on your watch, and actually things are going to get a little bit more, dare I say it, protectionist going forward?
No, this is the greatest test for mankind as a whole and for the OECD countries in particular, because most of these countries have bought 3, 5, even 10 times as many vaccines as their whole population, and therefore they're going to be left with a lot of vaccines, or at least with the capacity to buy vaccines, and those vaccines are sorely needed, are badly needed in the developing world, and therefore that can be a very important source of support and international cooperation, of overseas development assistance.
And help.
We will not get rid of this pandemic until it's gone everywhere.